Hi, my name is Sophia Shukin. I am naturalist at Lake Katherine Nature Center, and on this episode of Come Back to Nature, we're going to be talking about eastern black swallowtails. Here I have an example of an eastern black swallowtail. They're a very common occurrence in native gardens or landscapes, and they're characterized by these beautiful black wings with yellow and blue accent colors. They are great pollinators. They also are great food sources for birds, mammals, and other insects. So I'm in front of the black swallowtail's host plant, which is the plant that they prefer to lay their eggs on and the caterpillars to feed off of. The host plants are in the carrot family, so anything that is a wild carrot, wild parsnip, parsley, fennel, or dill. These are great plants that you can put in your own garden to attract swallowtails if you so wish. We have a couple examples of some little caterpillars that are feeding off of fennel right now. So we really love to see black swallowtails around. They're great for the environment. They're wonderful pollinators, and they're really beautiful. Thank you for watching Come Back to Nature. My name is Sophie, and I hope that I've helped you to be inspired to learn about more pollinators.